Alright, as you guys know, driver's side is already tucked and done with. Now to the passenger side, what I got done. Got the wires pulled through. I need to extend some on this side. This ground is, I think the ground is straight. What do I need to extend? Headlight straight. Do I need to extend anything? Maybe I don't need to extend anything. I thought I needed, I need to extend the radiator fan. That's what I need to extend. So I'll extend that. Probably extend a couple things to clear everything up. I do not have a low beam on this or a high beam on this side. Do not know where it went, but yeah, so I'm gonna run a new high beam and take it into the car and then just leave it at that and figure out where it goes. In the car is a mess, but hope you can see this. All right, so kind of got everything where it needs to be. This is my my ABS harness. Kind of deleted that, but didn't want to cut anything. So what do I have here? AC and AC. So all this is pointless right here. So I just got that taped up. I'll throw that to the side. My fuse box right here. And I got that. I'm probably gonna put that in the dash. So I'll put my fuse box right here. Got that done. And I got my ECU plugs right here. And then I also have, where are my, and you can see down here going across, those are my plugs right there. Those are going to go for, that's where it's going to connect to my engine harness down in the center somewhere. So I got all this. All this is how it needs to be. I'm going to loom it up and then clean it up. It's just all hanging right now. I hope you can see that, but that's a better view. Yeah, so everything's just hanging, but right where it needs to be. So I'm good here. And we can go take a, yeah, my car is a fucking mess. But now we can go take a look at the engine harness. Alright. Alright, got some stuff to finish that off. Some tie wraps. I got a butane soldering iron for the storage, since we don't have any power there. Some solder. Spare butane. 18 wire, 16 wire, that'll all be covered, and the headlight. And also came in the mail today.
These nuts. Got him! Got him!
Got flywheel bolts. And clutch bolts, or pressure plate bolts, I'm sorry. So we're getting close. Let's check out the engine. Alright, so here we have our mess. That is the driver's side, I believe, harness. Kind of got everything routed to where it needs to be. So I'll be tucking this, you know, making all this neat like that, bringing everything to a head, I guess you could say, like that. Same with this side, but this side I need to, everything that you see blue tape, I need to extend, because this harness is tight. If you see that's not going far. I need that to go inside the engine bay and to the left. Same with this. So you see like this red wire is pulling tight. So cut a few things there, like these green wires that go to every, like this green wire goes to multiple sensors. Cut all that, length of that, and then this will free this up a bunch. And also, this is what I was talking about with my Dizzy. Got this connector from the junkyard today, and I think I got one more plug. This right here, I have the solder, which goes right here, and I got one of those with a pigtail in it. So yeah, that's everything for the harness. We'll get to this, try to finish this by the weekend, and show you guys a fully finished home tuck harness. Alright, so I got everything spliced. Splices everywhere.
My hand is...
Splice, splice, splice. Splices. Now I'm gonna go back and solder everything and heat shrink it. That. And try this one out. See how this works. I really bought this for the storage, but see how that works. And then loom everything. Maybe put everything back on the engine and loom it. I know it looks a mess now, but it'll come out great, watch, promise.
Okay.
Alright, you getting this? Don't eat this. This. First you wanna heat up the wire before you do anything. Heat up goddamn wire. Oh shit. First you wanna put the heat shrink on. My wife is gonna let me.
Sage, turn that down.
First you wanna put the heat shrink on. Now. You getting this? Alright, you wanna put it far enough down to where the heat from the soldering iron don't melt it. Twist your wire. Let's go. Heat the wire itself, by itself, before you do anything. This is key. The wire got to be hot for the solder to get all in it. What's burning? Something burning. Babe, what's burning? You see smoke? I seen smoke. You seen smoke?
No.
Alright.
Oh, I see smoke now.
Alright, so maybe it's hot enough. Look. See if you can get in there. I'm gonna put the solder on the actual wire and it's still gonna melt. Not the soldering iron.
Wait, babe.
It's all good.
It's not focused.
I know it ain't gonna focus. It's okay. Hold on, stay there, about right there. Slide this over. Now mine's still hot a little bit, but I'm just trying to show y'all real fast. Oh shit, I done fucked up. There we go. Bam. That's it. Alright, so lengthen some wires up, and this is the progress. Ready to mock it on the engine now and loom it. Sorry for the mess, but we're all taped up. That's the engine side down. I mean, this is the main harness side. Go inside the bay. Down to the engine harness. I got this side loomed already. Just want to show you guys a quick difference. Loom versus tape. This is a time-consuming process. So just be prepared care for that, but there we go. I need to order larger mesh for this. This is 3/4, so I'm gonna probably grab like 1 inch. And then for things like this size, I need to grab like a 1/2 inch maybe. Also for those back there, because like 3/4 is a little bit big. This actually might be 1 inch. I gotta double check, but yeah. So that's that. We just gonna keep on going.